Hi. Most US indices, the Dow Jones, the S&P 500, are now in correction territory, which means they are more than 10% down from the 52-week highs. Now, this is quite dramatic and it has really taken the world by shock. You find that many Asian stocks are also almost in correction territory. Shanghai Composite is again down 3% in early trade today. I have been saying since quite some time that I'm very bearish on stocks. My outlook for 2016 is very bearish. Now, I'm not a bear by any stretch of imagination. If this was a good time to buy, I would advise you to go and buy, but it is not. Now, there will be pockets of opportunity which, as and when they unfold, I would be happy to present it to you, but this is not the time. Um, there is one and a request, a very humble request that I would like to make to the television channels, to the media channels, to the print media, to anybody who has got anything which is, a publication in any form, whether it is digital, electronic, or paper, that please, whenever somebody makes a prediction about outlook for the next year, for in this case it is 2016, please go ahead and at least record it somewhere, and the next time this person is making another prediction, at least bring it forward to compare and see how well he has fared in his predictions. You find people with rather ridiculous ideas. Yesterday I was hearing a leading fund manager saying, please go and bottom fish. This is a great time to when the markets have fallen so dramatically, then go and buy, average out your investments, or invest in a systematic investment plan in a SIP. This is crazy. You don't do that. You don't catch a falling knife. When things are falling apart, you don't go and buy more. You will get more exposed and into greater losses. Yes, when things calm down, and I'm not saying this whole year is going to be dramatically just a falling year. There will be times when it will rise. I will point those periods to you, and then you can maybe make up something. But this is definitely not a right advice to give somebody that go and average your investments, or put in a systematic investment plan. That is for dummies. That is people who just don't know anything about. It's like a blind man. He doesn't know, where to, what to do where. So with his feel, he's just trying to, go wherever his stick is taking him. You don't do that. If you have some common sense, if you have done your homework well, then you must have some ideas in mind as to where the markets are headed, and please advise investors to go in that direction. Otherwise they will end up in losses, which is inappropriate. As a professional, we should not be allowing. The first thing that we should be making sure is that investors should safeguard their capital, then they can earn returns. If your capital itself gets eroded, how are you going to earn returns? So that's the first sign of professionalism in any person. I strongly believe this market is headed further downwards for quite some time, and I would advise investors to calmly stay out. Believe me, there are pockets of opportunities. In my book, forthcoming book, is to be released shortly, 2016 opportunities, bearish case for stocks. I have pointed out that this, the year 2016, it's not going to be volatile. It's going to be in a downward spiral, but it will lead to certain opportunities which would have never unfolded before for people. So cash is the king. If you follow what I'm trying to tell you, this is going to be once in a lifetime opportunity to invest in certain asset classes which you may have never thought of before. And this opportunity, I doubt, will ever come again. But for the time being, dear investors, please believe me, I have nothing to gain. My assets under management, when are something which is very vital to any fund manager, because the more the money you put in their fund, the more the money they make. But I don't think this is the right way to attract investors. You should give them the medicine that they need. A good doctor will give them only that medicine which is appropriate for that particular point of time. I'm giving you the advice which is essential for this particular point of time, and that advice and that medicine is to calmly stay out of the markets. Please don't invest for now. There will be good times to come. I will point it out to you. Take care. Happy investing, and do remember what predictions I had given you, so that the next time I talk with you, please compare and see how much I was right. And I do not wish to be in the same ballpark category as other fund managers who have spoken something very highly, very bullish case they've made out. Christmas 2016, it will be better than 2015. Diwali, one Diwali to another, it will be up 40%. One Easter to another, you'll be up 30%. Please make this and bring it for the benefit of the investor community. They should be shown what they have predicted and why they have gone wrong. Please don't catch a falling knife. Stay on the sidelines, stay calm, and I will point out the good opportunities as they keep unfolding from time to time. Take care. Happy investing. Bye bye.